Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into SunTrust mobile banking account. If you'd like to log into your SunTrust account with your mobile, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to log into your SunTrust mobile banking account, then go ahead and open up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.suntrust.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll find yourself into the official website of SunTrust. Simply go to the bottom of the page and tap on the Sign On button from the drop-down appearing on the display. Select the area from where you'd like to log in. I'm going to choose this online banking option, and now head over to the User ID text box and type in your user ID. After you're done, head over to the password text field, type in your password for your account. If you'd like the device to remember your user ID, tap on this box right here that says Remember User ID. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, tap on this link right here that says Forgot User ID/password and follow the instructions to reset to a new password or to look for your user ID. If you've not enrolled for online banking yet, tap on the Sign Up Now link and follow the instructions. After everything's typed in, go and tap on this arrow button in red in order to log into your account. That is how you'll be able to log into SunTrust online banking account using a mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.